Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope everybody are keeping good at home. Welcome to today's class. In today's class, we are going to learn Unit 1, A reading, Attitude is Altitude. So the title meant to say that the way you think, the success you get. That means if you keep on thinking positive, definitely you will be a successful person in your life. Now let us check out such a person in this lesson. Attitude is altitude. Imagine having no arms to stretch in the morning to help you scratch that itch, to allow you to wrap your arms around your loved ones. Imagine having no legs to kick pebbles down the street, to walk or run, to bicycle or skateboard, or get you from point A to point B. Then imagine both at once, which is what Nick Vujicic has faced his whole life. Have you heard something like this before? Nick Vujicic was born with no arms or legs, but he doesn't let the details stop him. The brave 26-year-old, who is maybe torso, plays football and golf, swims and surfs despite having no limbs. Nick has a small foot on his left hip which helps him balance and enables him to kick. He uses his one foot to type, write with a pen and pick things up between his toes. I call it my chicken drumstick, joked Nick, who was born in Melbourne, Australia, but now lives in Los Angeles. I would be lost without it. Due to his faith as an evangelical Christian, Nick has chosen to remain a virgin until marriage, although he has had long-term girlfriends in the past. So now, dear students, imagine having no arms. Once imagine having no hands to stretch in the morning and to scratch wherever you feel itch. And meanwhile, whenever you wanted to hug somebody, but you have no hands. Once imagine how the feeling was at that time. And also imagine while you are walking, if you wanted to kick pebbles on road or to ride a bicycle or any other thing, any other vehicles, once imagine you have a wish to ride but you don't have legs. Once imagine that. Now imagine at once having hands and legs at a time. You could not do such things. Yes, it is so horrible. But here, there is a person called Nick Vujicic has faced his entire life having no arms or legs. Yes, he was. So Nick Vujicic was born with no arms or legs. Right? This Nick Vujicic was born with no arms or legs. And he was born in Melbourne, Australia, but now lives in Los Angeles. Right? He said that he doesn't let the details stop him. So here it is, the details means nothing but his disability. So Nick says that his disability did not stop him to be a successful person in his life, right? And also he had a small foot on his left hip. Yes, he had a small foot on his left hip. Here it is, having no arms and legs, but Nick can play football, golf, and also swims and surfs. Right? He could do such things. And what was his age? He was 26 years old. Right. Here it is that with the help of this small foot, to which he used to call it as chicken drumstick, he can hold the things, he can pick the things up, and even he can kick, and also can also hold the pen between the toes. So here it is, he used to call a small foot on his left hip chicken drumstick. And also he said that I would be lost without it. So that means what? He said that if he does not have a small foot on his left hip, he might not be a successful person in his life. That meant he says that at least he was blessed with a small foot, to which he used to call as a chicken drumstick. Due to his faith as an evangelical Christian, so due to his faith, so he wanted to be a virgin, not to get married. But he had a long-time girlfriends, but he wanted to be a virgin. Okay, so dear students, this is all about today's class and we'll continue the same in the next class. I hope you have understood that. Thank you.